Hi, today in front of me INFINIX Hot 20i, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to do that, I'll just find first the INFINIX family, the Smart Scanner application. Just tap to open it. For example, only for this time, and now we should place our QR code here into this frame. So let's just do that. Just wait a second, and now here we should tap to go to the website on our browser. So just click here agree, allow, and we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. That's how to scan QR codes with our device help. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.